Wake up.
Come on.
Police. Come on.
Police.
Come on.
Police. Yeah, the police. You need rescue? What'd you take? Time to get up, dude. Let's go. Come on.
Come on. Come on. Time to go. Come on.
His nose is bleeding, or was bleeding.
Yeah.
Come on, we gotta go. You don't live here. Let's go. Get up. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Let's go. Get up. Come on.
Come on. Hey,
You gotta get up.
you can't stay here.
This isn't your house. Let's go.
Come on. Let's just
Come
go.
on.
It's easier.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's go. You hear me?
Hey, listen. You don't live here. You're not welcome here. Don't fight us. Let's go.
It's time to go. Come on.
Come on.
Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Put your feet down. Put your feet down.
What's going on here?
What's the deal, dude?
Can you put your legs out?
Talk. Use your words. Come on. Come on. Talk.
Come on.
Get up. Yeah, you did. You don't live here. Okay, you don't get to lay down. Come on.
There we go. Come on.
Let's go.
Stand up. There we go. Stand up.
There you go.
There we go. Let go. Come on. Let go of your hands.
Come on.
There we go. Come on.
All right, come on.
There we go. Just take a deep breath.
Relax. All right, walk out. Step. There you go. Good job. There you go. Good job. Do you need rescue? Huh? Go over here. We're gonna go to this car. Alright. Have a seat. What's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor?
Yeah.
Taylor what?
Robert.
Taylor Robert?
Yeah.
Robert's your last name?
Yeah. Middle name.
Your middle name? What's your last name, Taylor?
Hustler.
What is it?
Hustler.
Hustelo?
Yeah.
What happened with all this?
I just woke up, had my morning coffee. I have some outdoor cats, so I came out and checked the weather because I bike ride in the morning, and I saw this guy sleeping there, and I started going, hey, hey, hey. So I went inside and got my rope, and then he was very strong and he was resisting, and he pulled my arm, and I said, Jeannie, I saw Jeannie. I said, can you come and help me? Because I saw him walking sort of with her yesterday.
You said he pulled your arm?
Yeah, he was resisting. He was like trying to get my arm off of him.
When
So-
you were grabbing at him?
Yeah, I was trying to say, hey, first I asked him to leave, and I kept saying, you have to leave, and he wouldn't leave. He just was huddled, and then he resisted. And so when I picked him up, I'm pretty strong, and
Yeah.
I picked him up and I got him on the floor, and I had to push him, but he sort of grabbed my arm and pulled my arm, so I felt like it's nothing terrible. I don't need to go to the hospital. But
Okay. Is it injured at all? Like other
no,
like
other than a
visible?
full muscle, pull, just
Yeah.
a mild muscle pull. So I pushed him, and Jeannie came over and she helped me, and we pushed him out. We said, you have to leave, you can't stay here. So he got outside, and then I locked the door because I usually lock it at night because I had this problem once before. And then I just went to get my coffee. I came back out. He broke the screen door. He was back in on my sofa. So I thought I have to call the police because he's not going to leave. And then I left the door open, and he just curled up under the blanket. I was going to get him a shirt, but he just seemed cold and he didn't want to leave. And there's all his stuff, I guess.
This is all his stuff?
Yeah. He left it there. He was in her house too this morning. Her stuff was all broken up.
Skylar.
So that was it. Pretty simple, but
Do you want to prosecute, go to court, have him arrest all that?
well, if I don't, I'm afraid he'll come back. That's my concern. He'll just think he can come back.
Right.
And I don't know how you make him leave if you don't arrest him. You tell him just move along, don't bother.
Well, I mean, like, he clearly needs medical attention, but I can't tell you what you can. It's totally up to you whether you want to prosecute or not.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Because when he broke through my door, that was it.
Yeah. Let's go over here and look at that stuff really quick. If you said you had just gotten it fixed,
Yes, the kids come around and they would ring my doorbell's gone, and he just pushed it. And I just had someone replace it because it was torn here because the people or the kids were breaking in. So I put new screen on it, and now my doorbell's gone.
How much did it cost to get it fixed the first time?
Oh, about $100, and then the doorbell's remote, maybe 50.
Did you see him break the doorbell or know anything about the doorbell?
No, but the doorbell was there yesterday, so
Okay.
I just assumed he knocked it off. I don't know. We tried to push him out, and then I noticed so my doorbell's gone.
So let me just run this by you really quick. You come outside, you see him, you're like, "Hey man, like you got to get out of here."
Right.
Waking him up.
And he's non-responsive.
Yeah. So you pull him to the ground.
I'm like, come on. He
Yep.
was like,
Pull him onto the ground.
And then he sort of tried to get my arm off of him, and then I got him on the ground, and then I used my knee, and I said, Jeannie, can you help me?
Yeah, she came over
So
and
we
helped.
said, come on, you got to go, just go. And then I closed the door,
Yep.
left, and came back, and he was right back in here.
Yeah, and then this is all dangerous. Okay.
So,
Alrighty.
all right.
I'm gonna come back at some point and take pictures of the screen. I'm gonna figure out what's all going on with him and try to figure all that out. But I'll get you a report number and a little booklet with your rights. Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty.